Okay, we're going to look at another key concept. This one is how you select information in a Photoshop document. We've already seen that each image is made up of pixels, and it's how we select those pixels. Photoshop comes with a number of selection tools listed down the left-hand side of the screen. One of the most popular tools these days is to use the Quick Selection tool. It can be used to select areas where you have similar brightness or colors. For example, if I want to select the sky within this image. Now this tool selects by brush sizes. All you do is simply brush over an area. As you brush, it tries to work out the difference between the colors of the pixels, remember those individual elements, and then makes its selection. You can see your selection is defined by what is lovingly known as the marching ants. They go all the way around your selected area. Now this particular tool doesn't necessarily make a perfect selection straight away. You will have to sometimes make adjustments. You can zoom in on an image. You can see here that it hasn't quite selected this background detail. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use that same tool. Rather than add to my selection, I want to drop off from my selection. So I'm going to brush in this area here, and you'll see it start to select those information in the background. This feature uses Adobe's built-in artificial intelligence. It will learn as you make your selections. I can change my brush size. I can brush over these areas here to include them into my selection or drop them off from my selection. I'm going to zoom back out and I can see my selection. We're then going to use this selection to actually create a mask.